Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your VIVO V60 Lite is blacklisted. Okay, to check it we need to visit IMEI.info page, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our VIVO. If you don't know how to check it, it is really easy. On your VIVO you need to open up your phone app and then type this code. After that the list with your IMEI numbers will appear and you need to type this IMEI in this bar. Then click on this blue button. You can see that our VIVO has just appeared. Now we need to scroll down all the way until we find the basic checks and also the advanced checks. If you want to perform a blacklist simple check, it's under free versions. Simply click on that and click on check blacklist status. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and now we can see that our device is clean, so we have a confirmation that everything is fine. When it comes to the premium version, you can click on order now, right in here. Now scroll down, and you can see that it costs $4 to make an order. Time needed is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. And down below you have an example how it will look like, for example, when device is blacklisted and how when it's clean. When it comes to advantages of using the premium version, we can see that right in here, read more about, scroll down, and in here we have the advantages. If your device is clean, the result contains model number and manufacturer. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, blacklisted on. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate which you can share. The result is saved on your IMEI.info account history. You can download PDF certificate anytime. The result is fast, accurate and detailed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.